No, there is no lack of internal communication. I think that when a member of parliament speaks his or her voice, that is something to be respected. The government has a position, parliament can have another position, and we respect the democratic principles on our island. The position of Aruba in general is the following. Of course, if there is debt cancellation, dispensation, or how you call it, of course we would like to be eligible for it. But as we stand now, it is a loan, and we need to come to agreement how this loan will be repaid. Do we have to repay it completely? When do we have to repay it? Those are for us the most important aspects now. And I'm happy that we already started discussing these in the Netherlands when the Minister of Finance and myself were there by the end of last year, and that now we have come to the agreement that in February the deliberations will start on this point. So no lack of internal communication. I think it's more a show of respect.